Excited.
Very
You know
cool.
what? We've got a lot going on. I need to go back to doing weather because we have so much to cover. Here are your headlines for the next 72 hours on what you can expect. Today, periods of heavy rainfall. We are anticipating an additional 2 to 5 inches. Wind gusts 30 miles per hour in the central locations, 45 over towards the coast. And of course, we could see even higher in some locations. Saturday is going to be a wet start to the day, but we will begin to see the rain tapering off as we go further into the afternoon hours. But get this, the winds, they're not going anywhere. They're staying with us today, Saturday, as well as into Sunday. So another windy day. Now on Sunday, the James River is anticipated to reach 16 feet. This is going to be the first time it's happened in over 6 years, dating back to January of 2010. So please be careful. And of course, be safe out on the roadways. Kristen continues to keep you informed, but you'll notice at a glance, they are wet and they are slick. Current temperature 55 degrees. Winds are out of the north, sustained at 14 miles per hour, and they're going to stay up there, sustained winds throughout the entire day. Wind gust right now at 22 miles per hour. Those gusts will continue to go up. And just at a glance, you can tell already dealing with some heavier bands of rain beginning to push just off the coast and continuing to move to the west as we go throughout the rest of our morning hours. And as far as those heavier bands, we do not have any lightning just yet, but later on into the afternoon, anticipating some lightning. This will continue to move just off towards the west, some heavier rain up towards Tappahannock, and that's going to continue to impact us throughout the day. Notice just over into Wakefield, another heavy band, as well as into Williamsburg. And it's not looking to stop whatsoever because we have a surplus of moisture. I mean, it's getting all this rain and all the wet precipitation from the Atlantic, and it continues to draw it in. That is why we are anticipating this not just to be a morning event or even an afternoon event. It's going to continue throughout the entire day, overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Now, by tomorrow afternoon, we will begin to see the rain lightening up just a bit. You can see a few heavy bands here and there, but definitely nothing compared to today. And the same goes for Sunday. But remember, every drop counts and continues to add to our rain totals. Now, rain totals are anticipated to add on top of what we already have received anywhere from 2 to even 5 inches. And of course, this is not the gospel. We could be dealing with even more rain and higher totals as we go further on into Sunday. But it gives us a good idea, and that is why we already are dealing with a flood warning for the eastern portion of the viewing area, that Tappahannock all the way into Petersburg. Please be careful. Coastal erosion is going to be a problem. Also into South Boston as well as Danville, dealing with that flood warning. Elsewhere, a flood watch has been pushed into play. Something else to consider are the winds. Winds right now sustained 14 miles per hour in the city. Norfolk, this is your sustained wind right now, 31 miles. And we're talking about wind gust extremely high throughout the entire day today, along with the rain. Tomorrow, the winds stay up. Our soil is saturated along with on into Sunday. We could be dealing with some down power lines as well as down trees. And yes, even some landslides further off towards areas in our west. Please use caution, but remember, remain calm at all times. We'll continue to keep you posted. Temperatures today, 59 degrees for your high, 69 tomorrow. And remember, download the free CBS 6 weather app. It will alert you if you are dealing with a flooding zone in your location. Guys,
I got it.